delete this also. Shift S, cursor to world origin. Shift A, mesh UV sphere. Sculpting on. Enable dynamic topology. Detail size to 6. Auto smooth to 0.045 for draw brush. I inflate brush, the same auto smooth 0.045. For snake hook brush, the same auto smooth 0.045. Increase the size of symmetry is there. Increase the size of the snake hook brush and we grab it and we start to make something. Yeah. What do we make? Let's see what we make. Are we making a dog or something? Maybe, may not be. Yeah. Looks like we are going to make a dog, isn't it? Looks like we are creating a sort of a dog or something. Isn't it so? Looks like that. What do you say? Yeah? What do you say, my dear? Aren't we creating a dog or something? Yeah? Yeah, we are creating a dog, and a dog. Let's try to create 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 a fierce looking dog. You mean a fierce looking dog? Yeah. The dog should not be tame looking dog. It should look fierce, okay? Yeah. Work on the dog. Inflate this area. Okay. Get some mask over here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Some muscle over here. Yeah, it looks nice though. Looks quite nice, okay? At least I like it. You also like it, I know you like it. Okay? Okay. A dog running. Yeah, it'd be nice. A running dog. Yeah. So out, so out, but in. Okay, it's not supposed to be this way. Okay. And bigger. Leg. Okay, we can we'll save it before the blender crashes. Job running, okay, dog running, okay. And now for the front legs of our dog. Inflate this, grab it, move it. Wait, yeah. Inflate it over here. Make it kind of muscular. Cook. Pause. Okay. The paws of the dog. Snake hook. Snake hook. Okay. Now we inflate this, inflate it with some muscle over here, with some muscle over here, and some muscle over here. Inflate it nicely. Yeah, inflate over here also. Okay, inflate it nicely. What about the tail part? Inflate this area, okay? Make a nice tail. Okay, snake hook. Oh, it's not a double tail, my dear. I'm going to undo all this. Yeah. And then you have the tail. A small tail. Okay. The leg could be bigger here. Okay. Control S, keep saving always. Inflate. Use the inflate brush. Very nice brush. Snake hook again. Need to shape things up. Okay. To shape things up. Okay. Control S, keep saving always. This didn't seem to be so good to me. Yeah, I'll shape it up. Take it up. Take it up. That's how it's supposed to go. Right? That's how it's supposed to go up. Yeah, that's better. That's better. And the tail part. Shaping up things though. Yeah. Inflate this. Okay. Like this. And this. And this muscle. Muscle. Okay, and this prominent jaw over here. Okay. Running dog. Quite muscular. You can see how muscular is our dog. Okay. Okay, friends, it's getting too long. I will stop this tutorial and let us resume it in the next part. I hope you're liking the sculpting of the running dog. the dog that's chasing its prey. Okay, hope you're liking it. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and